Hello everybody, if you've been wondering how people are making serious money with AI without being techie or experienced, you're gonna love this one. I just finished going through the entire brand new AI cash cow course by Alex Jeffries and Mike Marin, and let me tell you, this thing is a whole blueprint for a real income with AI and small businesses. So, what is AI cash cow? It's a complete training system that shows you how to land high-ticket recurring clients by helping small businesses get more customers using AI tools. They break down everything in simple steps. You don't need any experience, tech, skills or any fancy backgrounds. So first of all, they start with basically an introduction to explain what you're getting yourself into and how you're going to make thousands of dollars with this course. And now they have all these different modules like AI cash cow, quick start video, the $10,000 AI game plan, meet your AI employee, which is personally my favorite, and AI emails that sell, and finding your perfect client, and scaling with AI. Now let me show you my favorite part of the entire course. Module 3, meet your AI employee. This section is insane. First you get introduced to your digital sales team. These are AI tools that do the selling for you, and they walk you through setting up your own AI software that can pitch and close deals without you lifting a single finger. And then this beauty right over here, you build a chatbot in 7 minutes that talks to leads, answers questions and books calls. It's easy and clean, even if you've never done this before. So let's have a look over here, and they'll basically teach you on how to make your own AI chatbot in 7 minutes. Oh, and this one, you can set up a voice receptionist that answers the phone like a real human and filters leads. It's like cloning yourself, minus the coffee addiction. And this one module alone could replace a sales team for a local business, and you're the one setting this up, which is why they pay you thousands of dollars monthly to do it. AI is exploding into a $500 billion industry. Small businesses are scrambling for help, and this course shows you how to become the go-to AI expert. Even total beginners are landing $500 to $3,000 a month clients using this. Right now, the AI cash cow is just $9.95 during launch. That's ridiculous considering the value that this course provides. So, who's behind it? This isn't just some mystery guru. Alex Jeffries helped thousands succeed with his last course on TVZoo, and now he's back with AI. His partner Mike Marin used the same system to go from $0 to $100,000 months. They've walked the walk, and now they're handing you the blueprint. So why should you buy through me? If you grab this course through my affiliate link below, I've got some sick bonuses waiting for you. And these bonuses include stuff like a proven cold outreach messages that actually work, and a secret traffic method I use to land free leads every week that makes me thousands of dollars. Click the link in the description, purchase the system, and then email me at this email that I've put on screen right now to claim all your bonuses. And this is hands down the easiest way I've seen to make real money with AI in 2025, because it's beginner friendly, there's no tech skills needed, and there's real client getting system with AI doing the heavy lifting. So hit that link below, grab your copy, and let me know when you land your first client. Let's go build your own AI cash cow.